up your math book to page 76. Everybody's going to do page 76 right now.
Like by yourself, right?
Yep,
Get started?
right now.
And page 77 or
Just numbers 1 through 5 on page 76. One through 5 on page 76. Your page should look like what?
Other than math.
Math threw up on it.
The math monster threw up on it.
Right. Jensen, you have. What is all this?
It's not mine.
What page, Miss Pfeiffer?
76.
I'm pretty sure about it.
76, okay.
Does anyone know what the heck's going on?
Alex, we are on page 76 in our math book. Everybody is working on.
I know we're on page 76, but I don't know what we're doing on page 76.
You're answering the problems, buddy. You're answering the problems on your own.
Miss Piper, I have to go now.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, Bubby. Jody, were you able to get on Google Classroom last night? Were you able to get on Google Classroom last night? Okay.
When are we gonna start doing something? Because I'm already done.
Well, I'm waiting for a few other people to get done, and then we will continue on. Okay, let's look at these problems. All right, number one, it says in May 3rd, in May, 3,479 sandwiches were served at Tia's Sandwich Shop. Which comparison is not true? I'm looking for my pen at the moment. There it is. It says which one is not true? So, let's look at them all. We had 3,479 is greater than 3,496. No. All right, well, let's check the rest of them. Because remember, we're looking for the one that is not true, not the one that is true. I hate this math book. Okay. All right. 3,479 is greater than 975.
True.
That's true. I just put T for true. 3,479 is less than 5,382. Yes, because if we look at our numbers, we have a 3 and a 5. My 5 is bigger than my 3, so that means that is true. And then the last one, 2,693 is less than 3,479. Well, we got a 2 and a 3, and my 3 is bigger than my 2, so that means that is true. So the only one it could be is A. Got it right? Give yourself a check. Number 2. An amusement park was visited by... Number 2, please. Page 76 in our math book. An amusement park was visited by more than 54,000 people in one day. Which statement could not be the number of visitors who went to the park? It says they visited the more than 54,000. So which one could not be it? So the number that is it is the number that is less than 54,000. Okay? So, if we look at each one of these, we have 53,234. We've got 54,512, 54,043, 59,801. Remember we said it has to be more than 54,000. So it's got to be, no, it's got to be less than, excuse me. Got to be less than 54,000 for it to be our answer, because it says it could not be the number. So which choice is less than 54,000? A. All right, number 3. So the table shows the number of miles on 5 used cars. Mr. Matthew wants to buy a car with fewer than 40,000 miles. If you don't stop messing with that, I'm going to lose it. Which car should Mr. Matthews consider? He wants fewer than or less than 40,000 miles. So he wants 40,000 miles to be the max, and he wants less than 40,000 miles. So it says, which cars, more than one, should Mr. Matthew consider? We want less than 40,000, so we automatically know it's not going to be which one. It's not going to be B, not C. All right, so now we have to look at our choices. Car A, B, and D. Well, we said B is 40,391, so it cannot be that one. We said A, D, and E. Okay, we got that, but let's check and make sure. Car B and C. Nope. And car B, D, and E. B, D, and E. D and E, yes, but B is a no, so the answer is B. Wonderful. Number 4. It says, look at the 2 groups of numbers. Says which statement is true about the numbers in these group? Which statement about the numbers in these group is true? It says all the numbers in group Y are greater than 4,500. All the numbers in group X are greater than 3,980. All the numbers in group Y are less than 5,500, and all the numbers in group X are less than 4,500. All right, well, let's look. let's look at each individual answer. It says all the numbers in group Y are greater than 4,500. So Y has all the no number below 4,500. Is that true or false?
We know.
No, because this right here, 4,499 is before 4,500. So that can't be it. All right, looking at B. It says all the numbers in group X are greater or bigger than 3,980. Okay, are greater than 3,980. Well, these ones we know the 4s are greater, but we have this one, 3,965. Is that greater than 3,980? No. All right. All the numbers in group Y are less than 5,500. All the numbers in group Y are less than 5,500. Well, that one's less. 4 is less. 4 is less. It's 5,034, but we have 5,673. Is that less than 5,500?
No. False.
No. So let's look at D just to make sure. All the numbers on group X are less than 4,500. So we have 4,200, which is less than 5. 4,400, which is less than 5. 3,900 is less than 5. And 4,086. So the answer is D. Well, 4 out of 6. We don't have 6 problems. We only have
4 out of 5.
so far.
Yeah, so far.
I got all of them right so far.
Wonderful.
Not really.
All right. Elsa walked 21,639 steps according to her fitness tracker on Friday. On Saturday, Elsa walked more steps than on Friday, which could not be the number of steps Elsa walked on Saturday. I tried to stop it on my watch, but it stopped the recording anyways. Okay, Elsa walked 21,639 steps according to her plan tracker on Friday. It says on Saturday, Elsa walked more steps than on Friday. It says which could not be the number of steps Elsa walked on Saturday. So whatever our answer is, it has to be what?
Not true. Not true. It can't be true.
Well, what does that mean? Can't be true.
That's the answer. It's not right. I'm gonna fall asleep.
Well, stand up behind your chair then. It has to be less than the amount that she walked on Friday. It says which one could not be the number, because if she walked more than she walked on Friday, and they want to say which one is not the answer, so you have to write the one that is less than that. So we have 21,363. We have 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1, a 3 and a 6. Is the 3 smaller than the 6? Yes, so we'll leave that as a question because that may be our answer. Then we're going to go to B, and we have 21,640. We have 2 and a 2, 1 and a 1, 6 and a 6, 4 and a 3. Is the 4 smaller than the 3?
No.
No, so that can't be it because we want to find the number that is smaller. All right, then we have 21,725. So we have a 2 and a 2, a 1 and a 1, a 7 and a 6. It's a 7 smaller than the 6. No. All right, then we have a 2 and a 2, a 1 and a 1, a 9 and a 6. Is the 9 smaller than the 6? No, so the only choice it could be is A.
I got a 5 and a 5. What was the 100? I got that one.
All right.
So, 100% plus smiley face.
All right. I am. We're going to do this next page, 77, but I've got to get cubes. Just give me a minute. What you're going to do is you're going to roll the dice, write one number on the left, roll the dice again, write the other number on the right, and you're going to compare the two. See which one is bigger. Hold on one second.
Oh, because you needed a partner to the
An apartment.
a partner.
Well, maybe. Maybe we're an asshole.
What else are we gonna do?
Alright. So you're going to need up to 5 dice. So, but really? So, but remember the first one says roll 3 cubes and write the number in expanded form. So what are you going to do? You're going to, now the ones on the computer, I'm going to show you what you're going to do in just a minute. Okay, y'all just give me a minute. Alright, roll 3 cubes. Let's put 136. So my first number is 136. I'm just going to write it right here. And I'm going to put it in, it says write it in expanded form. So it'd be 100 plus 30 plus 6. And then I'm going to roll my dice again. Come on, hold on one second.
Keep doing that.
My next number is 213. So I'm going to say 200 plus 10 plus 3, and then I'm going to compare them. So, which one's bigger, the 100 or the 200? 200. So, I'm going to go like this. Then it said roll the dice with 3 cubes again. Then you're going to roll the dice with 4 cubes. 4 cubes again, 4 cubes again, then 5 cubes, then 5 cubes. Okay? All right, so I'm going to give each one of you 5 cubes.
It looks fun.
You're not going to need all 5 until you get to the later questions. So you get to 5. So you're only rolling 3 at first.
Oh, yeah, you can put player 1 and player 2.
Yeah, but since we can't.
Exactly, that's why I know how this goes.
So you're just rolling the first 3 the first time. Now, the ones on the computer, you're going to go to the website. Let's see, it's called, what is it, Math Manipulators? It is Math, is it Math Playground? Yes, it is. Hold on, let me go to, it's called mathplayground.com. Okay, if you're on the computer, you're going to go to mathplayground.com. Only goes on the computer. No, we want manipulative, sorry. We want dice. Where are we at? No. Oh no, Toy Theater, that's what it is. You can go on Toy Theater, you're gonna click on dice, and you're gonna tell them how many dice you want.
What?
You're gonna do 3 throws.
No, what site?
You're going on to toytheater.com. Or how about this? How about I'll just roll dice for you and you can write the number down. Oh, for Pete's sakes, there's noise. All right, so we have
132. 312. 213.
Oh, we do it now?
yes, y'all do it now. But remember, you're writing the expanded form, not just the number, the expanded form. So if you're at home, you can either go to toytheater.com and tell it how many dice you want. If you need 3, click 3. If you need 4, then click 4. When you need 5, click 5, and it'll throw that many dice. Click throw, and then you just make a number out of those numbers. Okay, you understanding what I'm saying? Oh, wait, I turned the volume down. You understanding what I'm saying, Alex?
That's kind of fun.
What's my password?
Yeah, it is fun.
That's called Gmail.
No,
Oh, it's the capital WCPS and then your lunch number. Why?
I got 222. I mean 5. 2,225.
Good. You're only using 3 dice when it says roll 3 cubes. You're only using 4 when it says roll 4. You're writing the expanded form of each one of these numbers. What, Alex?
That's funny. This is so funny.
it is.
No, it's not.
Why?
Because I got 2,225 on the first then I just got
Toytheater.com? Yes, it does.
2,000.
Why don't you just watch my screen and I'll roll dice for you? I'll bring up the image and I'll roll dice for you. Are you on 3 dice or 4 dice, Alex? What? Are you on toytheater.com?
I'm on Toy Theater on education.
No,
On education, blah, stuff.
just toytheater.com.
Where's theater, right? Isn't it theater?
It's toytheater.com.
It's like if you almost gonna say theater.
Yeah, no, it's not showing up on my computer.
Okay. Well then, just come back over to the image so you can. I'll roll the dice for you. Okay. How many dice are you on? You on 3 still? All right. I'm rolling 3 dice. There you go. Where's your first number? 441. Tell me when you're ready for me to roll the dice again. There you go. There's your second number. You ready for four? You ready for 3 again? Oh,
Six. I'm on
triple
six.
cat eyes.
I'm on question number 6.
Another one. Now we're ready for 4. $2,342.
Wait, why is there 4?
Because we do 3 for the first 2, and then we move on to 4, and then we go to 5. If you look at your paper,
For the 5th.
hold on. If you look at your chart, okay, next. $4,411. See, if you look at the chart right here, it says to do 4 cubes and then 3 cubes. 3 cubes and then 4 cubes and then 5 cubes. All right, you ready for 4 more? How much like these ones? 2,112.
I got 6 for
Should be on 4 still.
I got 6
What?
for
For 20,000? Yeah, should only be 4 zeros. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Alex. Ava was asking me questions, distracting me. 3,664. It was 3,664. Sorry. My fault. I keep getting them out of the camera here. 2,363. What?
Keep getting doubles and triples.
Ready for number?
I got 4 5s.
5,000. Then you got Yahtzee. Alright.
I got 6,000.
And then
I got 65
you should be on 5. Are you on 5 dice now?
Everything went running like
Alex, are you on 5 dice yet?
What?
Alex, are you on 5 dice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. She's a.
I think you said yeah, sure.
She's a man.
Probably go up to 10.
Yes, sir.
14,456.
Alright, now.
Yeah.
You want me to get my dice?
Hold on.
Since I'm dying, can I go use the bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I'm almost done actually. No.
12,125.
Mixed up numbers.
It's like when you put these together, you can, when you're done, you can flip it around and you get six.
Okay. 12,143.
I'm done.
What?
I'm ready.
All right, and then this should be the last one. 6,442. No, 64,442. See that comma right there. Okay? All right, now compare them. Wonderful.
Do I bring you my dice? Nope.
What?
Do I bring you?
Not yet.
I think I lost my dog.
Can we bring our dice?
No.
Can we keep them?
No, they're not mine.
They're not yours.
They're Mr. Heiko's.
Oh. Oh, so you didn't get them from the gym.
I didn't get them from where?
The gym?
No.
I know. You got
Dice in the gym.
these big.
Put them in here when you're done. Put them in here when you're done. What happened?
What happened?
What we call a full house.
It was 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. 3, 1, 2, 2.
Fair size one. Same size one. Four, fair size one.
Oh my god.
Put my little-
And by the way, I'm in a circus.
What?
In a circus.
You're joining the circus? Wonderful. Are you down with that line? That's me done yet, bud?
Need to get a dog. Now you need a different.
All right, when you're done with that page, you're gonna go and do the concept check, page 79
Concept check.
and 80, page 79 and 80 to be turned in as a grade. To be turned in as a grade, page 79 and page 80. Well, so we're doing our concept check, page 79 and 80 as a grade. When you're done with that, you can put your head down. It's chilly in here.
It's freezing.
Page 79 and page 80 to be turned in. I know you're doing it right now, buddy. And then I posted it is not a video, it is a short passage that you need to complete. It only has 4 questions for social studies. It's about Native American homes. It's on Google Classroom. Oh, some people have already done it.